Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ryan from RJM Fishtales for Fisherman's Source. Today I want to talk about the Keitech swim baits, paddle tail swim baits, and how we rig it and set it up. So these Keitech Swing Impact FATs, this is a 3.3 inch. It's a great size to be throwing right now because these bait fish are really small. The Keitech paddle tail, we got it in the Ghost Rainbow, and we are rigging it up to the Keitech 1/8 ounce 3/0 hook jig head. It's a tungsten weight and it makes a good pair combination for this bait. So with the 3/0 hook, it pairs perfectly with this size bait, and we just work it on. There's a slit in the middle of this, and we just work it onto the jig head and work it up. You can see how easy that is. This bait has a lot of oil on it. It's got some nice scent to it as well, and in this tail is pretty big for the size of this bait, so it's going to make a lot of action, a lot of swim action. You can see the nice swim action of this bait in the water as it goes back and forth here. The gear I use is a medium power 6'10" SLX rod from Shimano, and I got it paired up with the Ultegra from Shimano 3000 in size. And I got 20-pound braid as the main line, and I got a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. Just a nice steady retrieve. You can feel a little bit of that thumping of the tail. You can feel a little bit of that swim action of the bait as you're reeling it in. It's just going to mimic, a bait fish, a shad, depending on what color you pick. I mean, you can get, bluegill color, a green pumpkin color. Just match the area where you're fishing. And where we'll fish this is around cover, along the banks. We'll cast it out and just retrieve it back in. Being it's on a jig head, you can let it sink to the bottom. You can kind of bounce it around as well, then start retrieving it back in, and you'll get that swimming action of this bait. I've been around a lot of paddle tail swim baits, but this Keitech paddle tail has an unbelievable action, especially for a little bait at 3.3 inches. I mean, the action you get from this paddle tail is absolutely phenomenal. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the water.